The Erhu was brought into Singapore by our ancestors from mainly Fujian, Chaozhou and Guangdong. The soulful tunes and joyous notes of the Erhu is usually heard at night as our forefathers play them after work or among friends in their clan associations. In the 50s, interest in the Erhu started to pick up, mainly because it was played over the radio stations such as Redifusion. Culture groups then started to spring up and people started to learn, play and teach. That was when the Erhu became really popular among the young and old in Singapore. With a history of 50 years in Singapore, the Erhu can still be heard playing by elderly buskers around Singapore. Hi, I'm Sangwa from Eastern Music School, and today I'm going to introduce you 3 instruments from the Huqing family.